ক'ত আছা তোমালোক ক'ত আছা অকমান মানুহ কিমান আছে আপোনাৰ চিকিউৰিটিখিনিও লৈ যাওক মোৰ চব মোৰ ল'ৰাও আহি আছে ল'ৰা চব ৰেডি হৈ আছে মানুহ আছে
have seen yesterday at Jamuguri Hat while Rahul Gandhi and other leaders of the India alliance were having a Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra. At that time, the BJP unleashed violence yesterday. They have utilized Bongo Sena and the RSS people and attacked the leaders. They attack just like an animal, not with hands, but with the head. And Bhupen Bora also have been injured, we have seen, and I think the vehicle of Jairam Ramesh Dangoria also has been damaged. This kind of attack has been unleashed against the APHLC for several years. We have not been allowed to hold rally and meetings, public meetings. And when we held rally, because it was a peaceful district, there was no 144 CRPC at that time. So we held the rally and the government under BJP attacked us and many of us were injured and many of us were in jail. We were put in prison. I myself was also pulled like anything by the police and I also fell down because of the pushing of the police. So this kind of attack we condemn. It had been done against small regional party earlier, but now they are attacking parties united opposition forum of consisting of 15 groups, including our India alliance. So this kind of attack in a democratic country is condemnable and we condemn it. Lapen India pu a group atum Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra kedamahut atumi het Jamuguri Hat along RSS Bongo Sena BJP atum ka attack dun penajok Bhupen Bora ke hai leader Congress President Lodak Assam alang lipanta kopinya piason ke tong pensi alang lipan physical injury ka pedu amek ka pedu avi ka pejang India polong ke nelitum APHLC atum ta nitum mananang hang dat si dodun lo athema non ke bangji election la BJP aphan perem vek nangji pupete inglong arat tum phan ke kapiduk la pen kapivir kam lok se claim lo 6 schedule ka pave la pen autonomous state article 244 a teng pen kapi claim long le ji aphan loksi la pen karbiang long along le bang ke che tum han ki pi akam loksi la pen ke che tum amen voter list long thap dun thuwaret akam si ke claim lo Bangladesh pen ke wang atum phanta lo pen along a prek pen ke wang domanta thap dun thuwaret akam se claim lo ni tung amen than nang yi pusi pu halate ke tha BJP to mang ke thap dun thu lok la posi nilitum APHLC pen kache song hota la BJP sarkar atum police logai si nelitum phan na pe thing pe chok person claim lo aya non India alliance atum ke claim ta lata ku alang litum thing dun chok dun thelela la si nelitum la ke che kroi dun de son ke democratic adet ke jok ta ni ing samjin pen ke kai procession se ta dam lo la pen misen akam an ke claim lo alang litum la son kapisung dun abang amat ke od dun ke tong dun ko pinya pia son la son ke ni tum condemn lo la ke kroi kre ni tum la son ke non alang litum phanchot ko linil tum hange ke claim tang lo la son ante aku non ni tum dun clip te la ta lang no dak lo la ke ka che kroi dun bang phan pe claim nang pu nang nak lo la si bang phan da pe claim nang ne son ke la pe ni tum phan ta son ke na pe claim long nang ni la so BJP atum yong si do bom lo te ha tribal atum phan ke ni ta ni tum phan nang chok dang theng lo a vi nang pe jang lo a keng pe sing lok lo pan si ke claim lo non hal atum phan ta claim tang lo Rahul Gandhi ke hai atum phan ta la potsi la son ke ni tum condemn lo